Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and create a Stripe account and how to configure it. If you don't know what Stripe is, it is a payment system where you can accept payments or set it up for your Shopify or Amazon. As you can see, it's trusted by very big brands. It is a great way to accept payments. So what is Stripe? Millions of businesses of all sizes, from startups to large enterprises, use Stripe software and APIs to accept payments, send payouts, and manage their business online. Yeah, it's a very good way to start accepting payments for your business. So let's just go start now. So now you want to create one. So you just plug your email in. I'm going to use a temp email because I'm just showing you how to use it. So if you have your email, you just want to plug it in, but I'm just using this temporary email. So I'm just going to copy this. I'm just going to create a name. And now you want to select your country. And now you want to write a password. Now you want to click create account. So now Stripe has sent out an email and now you have to verify it. So you just want to go to your mail, and as you can see, it has come through. And you want to click verify email address. So that will come to your email and you just want to click verify. And now you want to go activate payments. You just want to fill all this information out. So business location, so wherever your business is, you just want to put that in there. Type of business, so if you've got a company, you want to put that in there, or you're doing a non-profit. It all depending on the business that you are running. And click one. So I'm going to click partnership, and I'm going to click continue. And now you want to write your legal business name. So I'm just going to write just anything right now. And now if you're in Australia, you want to put an ABN. This is different in all countries, I'm pretty sure, but since I'm in Australia, it's saying to plug that in. And doing business as optional, you don't have to put that in, it's up to you. Registered business address, so now you want to put your business address. You just want to type that, so wherever you're from, and you want to fill that out. And then you want to put your business phone number in. And industry, you want to click, and depending on what you are doing, you just want to find it. You could either search it, so if you want to find digital products, digital or other goods, or software as a service, I'm going to click digital products, or other digital products, sorry. And right here you want to put your business website. And after you do that, you want to click continue. So now you want to verify that you represent this business, and you want to put your legal name, so your first name and your last name, and then your email address should there already, and then your job title. So if you're CEO or manager or the partner, you just want to put it there. Your date of birth, your home address, so this is where you live, not your business address, and your phone number, your real phone number, not your business. And now you want to go to business owners. So if you have a business partner, you just want to add them, and yep, or you can continue with no partners. Public details, add public details for customers. So you just want to put this in, your business name, your shortened descriptor, and your customer support phone number. And this will be on your statement, so whenever they get charged, this will be there. And now you want to add your bank. So add your bank to receive payouts. You just want to put your BSB or your account number, and you want to confirm it and click continue. Now let's go to secure your account. So this is important. I would suggest doing this. Keep your account secure. Use an authenticator app, I would suggest, or you could use SMS or security key depending on what you want to do, but I reckon authenticator app is one of the best. And add extras, so your tax, if you want to do that. You can put this in after, but if you already have your business up and running, you might as well put it in straight away. And you want to put all this in, and then you want to go agree and submit. Now we're going to look at the home page and just go through all these here, and I'm going to go over it so I can tell you a bit more about this platform. Your growth volume will be here, your AUD balance and your payouts will be here, your overview will be here, and all that interesting information for your business. We've already done payments, so we're going to go to balances. So this is the payout section. Go to payout settings, you want to check that. Payout schedule, you can click automatic every day, or you could do manual, so once a week. And this is where you put your bank account if you need to change it, or yeah, depending on that. So let's just go back to balances. And this will tell you the incoming to Stripe. So this will be the payments that are coming in weekly or daily, depending on what you want to do. Outgoing for Stripe, this will be the number here. And we've already done that payout, so yeah. And now I'm going to go customers. So you can add a test customer, but this will be your customers' names, and it'll have a list of their, pretty much their email address and numbers, I'm pretty sure, all that good stuff for your business to grow. And now this is a product page. So depending on what you're selling, so if you're selling a digital product, you can just add a product here, and you can plug all the products you have in real life, or you could set up a business where you sell stuff online, and you could put photos in there and do all that good stuff. This is where you put the coupons, and this is where you add your shipping rates. So depending on the prices to send out a item, this is where you would plug it in. And you could also add your tax rates. So depending on your country, tax rates are different. You just want to add your tax rate. So I'll talk to the accountant about this. Pricing table. So if you want to create a pricing table, create a branded responsive pricing table to embed on your website. So you can do this. This is a good option. And this is the billing. Yeah, if you're doing subscriptions, be the billing, your quotes, you can send customers an initial estimate before converting it to subscription on an invoice. Or you can create, customize, and send a Stripe hosted invoice in minutes. No code required. And this will be the active subscribers, the growth, the MRR growth, the active subscriber growth, net volume, new subscribers. Yeah, you get the drift. And invoices, you can create an invoice here. You just plug that in and create one, and you can send it to your customers. This will tell you the subscription and the billing workflow. And if you want to test that, you can just create one. But I'm just showing you a quick tutorial. This is where the quotes will be. There'll be drafts, there'll be outstanding and accepted and cancelled. Now let's look at reports. So this will show you your reports, your balance, payout reconciliation, revenue recognition, billing analytics, and radar analytics, and payment authentication, card monitoring programs. So this is a good way to look at your reports. It's going to show you all the good information. And now I want to go to connect. Depending if you want to put like your Wix account or your WooCommerce, this is where you want to connect it. Enable financial services and multi-party payments with Connect. This is depending on what you're using, so just go over this and have a good look. Also, I wanted to show you one more thing. If you want to click more, you can go payment links. So you can create a checkout page in a few clicks. So create test payment link, you want to click that. So this is a good way to see how your store will look and your link. So let's add a product. So depending if you're doing a premium plan or a sunglasses or just products, depending on what you're doing, you just want to plug the name in there. So I'm just going to say digital product. Oh, I spelled that wrong. But let's go ahead. And if you want to do that, you can upload a photo. So if you have a photo, just put it there. And then you want to write your description. How to lose weight. So if you're selling a weight loss book, you just want to put that in there, and depending on your currency, you just want to put that there. So I'm going to say USD, and you're selling it for 50 USD. So depending on what you're doing, if it's a recurring payment or a one-time, you just want to click. Say we're doing recurring, you would click there, and you could do monthly, daily, weekly, yeah, or you're just doing it one time. So add a product, and now as you can see, this is the product, digital product, and it is for $50. And if you, so this is what the customer will see, and you can test it out, and this is what it would look like at the end. So this is just a test, and yeah, that is the way you create a product and review it. Thank you for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please like and comment and subscribe.